Unlock a smarter way to budget your groceries at Kroger with Afterpay. Ever wished you could stretch your grocery budget to cover those essential items without feeling the pinch all at once? That's exactly where Afterpay comes in, especially handy for your trips to Kroger. First things first, if you're new to Afterpay, you'll need to sign up. Head over to the Afterpay website or download their app. It's a quick and easy process. Usually just requires your email, phone number, and a few basic details to create your account. Once you're signed up, you're ready to shop. At Kroger, Afterpay is typically used via a virtual card. Open your Afterpay app and look for the option to shop or create a virtual card. You'll select Kroger as the store, and Afterpay will generate a virtual card number, expiration date, and a security code. This virtual card functions just like a regular debit or credit card. Take this information to the checkout at your local Kroger. When you reach the checkout, simply present your Afterpay virtual card details to the cashier. You can tell them you're paying with a credit card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code as prompted on the payment terminal. Your purchase will then be processed, and you'll receive your groceries. Afterpay typically splits your total cost into 4 equal, interest-free installments. The first payment is usually due at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 are spread out over the next 6 weeks. You can easily manage your upcoming payments directly within the Afterpay app. You'll receive notifications reminding you when your next installment is due, making it simple to stay on track and avoid late fees. This makes managing your grocery expenses much more flexible, allowing you to get everything you need at Kroger while spreading the cost over time. So, next time you're stocking up on essentials, remember the power of Afterpay for a more affordable shopping experience.